Welcome to Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, a dynamic program that is designed to immerse students in the fascinating world of mechatronics and automated systems. Our course uniquely blends mechanical and electrical engineering principles, providing a comprehensive foundation as a multi-skilled engineer for both full-time students and apprentices. Our engineering students benefit from exceptional facilities that set our course apart. A highlight of our curriculum is the specialist training in programmable logic controllers and industrial robots. These units, particularly emphasised in the second year, are taught using specialist equipment in a practical learning environment that ensures our students gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology. Additionally, our facilities feature dedicated CAD design classrooms fully equipped to nurture the skills needed in modern engineering design. Our CAD/CAM workshop is a hub of innovation featuring advanced CNC equipment and 3D printers. This combination of facilities offers a comprehensive and immersive learning experience, preparing our students for the challenges of the engineering industry. Once they've completed their studies with us, our students are well equipped for a variety of exciting progression routes. Many choose to continue their academic studies with us through higher education courses such as HNCs and HNDs, offering a seamless transition to advanced studies. In addition, our strong industry links provide ample apprenticeship opportunities with local and national engineering employers, paving the way for real-world practical experiences. Those aspiring to go elsewhere for university, our course serves as a robust foundation for pursuing engineering degrees. Our commitment to student success extends beyond the classroom, as we actively support and guide our students towards fulfilling careers, further education, or university studies, ensuring that they are well prepared for their next steps in their engineering journey.